An online business has mainly two basic functions: creating a product or a service and then selling those products or services for profits. Since you have already aced the first problem, it's now time to face the bigger hurdle, making sales. Listen, I know marketing your product and services online isn't easy. Even if you run ads and have enough traffic, if your marketing copy isn't good, you won't make money online. We all know that creating a great product that customers love is no longer enough. You need to put more energy into marketing the product than you did while innovating it. Well, your only saving grace is an excellent and captivating marketing copy that will compel your audience to pay you those big bucks. Today, everything you do online requires a good marketing copy. A website needs content. A sales funnel page needs a marketing copy. A YouTube video needs a script. An ad needs a marketing copy. A blog needs content. But we all know how tedious and expensive it can be to hire a decent copywriter. And obviously, you wouldn't want to waste another couple of years training yourself to write an effective marketing copy. That's the exact same problem we faced in our business months ago. After having paid thousands of dollars to copywriters and spending huge amounts of money on complicated tools, we knew we had to come up with a better way. And that's what led us to develop this AI-powered tool designed to solve all of our problems. And now it can solve all yours too. Introducing CopyBlocks, the first to JVZoo AI copy assistant app that writes all the marketing copy for you and your clients. It uses advanced marketing technologies like AIDA and PAS that generate guaranteed to convert marketing copy in less than 60 seconds. Simply log into the CopyBlock app, choose from over 50 different types of marketing copy that you can have the AI generate for you and your clients. And here's just a taste of what this app can do for you. Guaranteed to convert marketing copy such as general ad copy, Facebook primary text, Facebook headlines, Facebook link descriptions, Google headlines, and Google descriptions. Highly persuasive marketing copy for websites and e-com stores, including headline, subheadline, product description, and product pitch. Attention-grabbing content for blogs, including blog post ideas, blog post titles articles, blog listicles titles, blog post intros and outline, bullet points to blog, and bullet point to paragraph. Marketing copy for sales pages based on advanced marketing frameworks like Pain Agitate Solution, Pain Gain Claim, AIDA, Feature to Benefit, Before After Bridge, Feature Advantage Benefit, and Quest Copywriting. Content for company profiles, including personal bio, company motto, company mission, and a whole lot more. All you've got to do is enter your product name and description, select the type of copy and tone, and bam! Your perfect marketing copy is now ready, written automatically by our advanced AI. Oh wait, we haven't even told you the best part yet. You could also sell this as a service to other businesses that are in desperate need of marketing copy. That's right. To help you maximize your profits, we included the commercial license worth $497 for free for you today. You can now download and sell copywriting services to your clients or use them for your own marketing purposes. It might surprise you to know that small working from home freelancers and agencies are making thousands of dollars helping businesses get online. All they are doing are using outdated fill-in-the-blank templates to write marketing copy and other content for them. Companies don't have a choice but to pay through their teeth to these services that give them nothing but low conversion rates, zero engagement, hardly any sales, and such pathetic profits. That's where you come in. You could do the same job, but so much better, and without doing any of the hard work. All you need is enter a few keywords and a couple of clicks to create a guaranteed to convert marketing copy in over 120 international languages. CopyBlocks positions you as a full-blown copy house without being an expert or writing anything yourself, without finding, hiring, and paying copywriters who charge an arm and a leg, without being forced to learn to write and doing it yourself, without buying any complicated and expensive tools. Sounds amazing, right? We think so too. Now, I must tell you that there are two very special things going on in this launch. First, we are giving away the commercial license without the need to upgrade, and second, you can get access to CopyBlocks at a very special one-time, massively discounted price. Look, we've been working on CopyBlocks for over a year now and have spent over $68,000 to bring this to life. After this special launch period ends, we simply cannot afford to keep this available for such a low price, and so we will have to start charging a monthly fee along with the setup fee. Even during the launch, the price will increase every few hours. But for the next few hours, you can join CopyBlocks as a founding member for a one-time fee with no commitments, no recurring payments, and backed by our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I am sure by now you realize that you can't let this opportunity slip away. Feeling overwhelmed and excited at the same time? We get it, so let's just quickly repeat all the awesome features that you get with CopyBlocks. First, artificial intelligence that uses over 50 copywriting skills to help you create the perfect copy in whatever niche you want. Built-in advanced frameworks like AIDA and PAS ensure that your marketing copy always resonates with the audience, as they are based on proven techniques of customer behavior and persuasion. A content improver to rewrite your previous marketing copy for better conversions. One-click translator helps you turn a single copy in any language you choose from over 100 international languages. Tone adjuster to make your marketing copy sound exactly the way you want it to. A feature to benefit converter, and lots more. Remember, this exclusive price that you see here is going to vanish soon. This is one of those opportunities that if you miss it, it will keep you up all night. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below to join the Elite Marketers Club right now.